Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can DM on Instagram on your iPhone. Well, it's very easy. First of all, open your Instagram, make sure that you're logged into your account just like this. And then from here, all you have to do is simply tap on this DM icon that you can see right here. After doing that here, all of the DM that you have previously done to any people will be shown here. Since I haven't DM'd anyone, there's none. So you can simply tap on the search bar right here and then search for the person that you want to DM. Just like this, here you can see I have searched for that person. Now I'm going to tap on them in order to DM them. So I'm going to tap on message box right here and then type any message. Here, after typing it, simply tap on send, and just like this DM has successfully been sent to that particular person. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.